to me, listen to me, like I do this all the time.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm still dealing with my arm. And then my son got a cold. And while I was caring for him the following week, now I have a cold. So I just hadn't been feeling well. And I didn't want to force myself to make a video. And I knew the fall YouTube Yarny Hop was coming up. So seasonal Yarny Hop for the first day of fall. So I was focusing all of my energy on getting everything done. Well, not only have I, for the first time, this is my third time participating, but the first time I'm not working down to the wire. In fact, I am recording this video a few days before the first day of fall. So I'm very proud of myself. All right, so I'm not going to hem and haw. I'm going to get right into it. For this seasonal Yarny Hop, because it's still hot down here, Jeanette, I'm still waiting for that cold weather you shipped to me. Maybe it got lost in transition or something, but it's still hot here. It's starting to get cooler in the evenings, so I did a combination. I have some, like, not shorts, I guess they're long shorts, and a tank top because I have hot flashes. And then I also did a cardigan and a hat for my fall seasonal opening, whatever. So I'm going to show you what I have. I actually incorporated all of my little yarn skills. I used hand knitting, I use Tunisian crochet, and I use regular traditional crochet in my makes this season. So first I'll start, I think, with my little tank top. This is regular crochet. So I did a tank top and decided to do like, I guess it's kind of like, I cinched up the sides with like a little drawstring kind of situation. I don't know. Anyway, instead of having it in the back, I decided to do it on the side. It's all right. And put some beads on it. But a little tank top. That was regular crochet. And I did hand knitting. And then I did Tunisian crochet for my waistband. But some hand knitted shorts, long shorts. And again, I did Tunisian knit stitch for the waistband and decided to kind of pair it with the top, how I zigzag the string. I don't know why I can't come up with what I did here, but anyway, to kind of pair it with that, I have this to close it up and some more beads on the end of it. But I like the little waistband. And that's the back. So hand knitted shorts and a traditional crochet tank top to match it. And to go over it, I did a hexagon cardigan with, this is sock weight yarn, and it's Burberry inspired yarn colorway. And here we go. I put pockets on it. I really like my pockets because they're almost invisible. I'm modeling it. I'll show you at the end me with wearing all of this. I just wanted to show it to you up close. But I really like this. It took a while because, again, it's this thin yarn. It was sock weight. But there we go. It's just a regular hexagon cardigan. But again, I really like my pockets. There you go. So, and then I like my front post, back post border for it. And I have a hat in the same yarn to match. Yeah. Oh, in my little teaser short, I showed you a crocheted maple leaf. And I just stuck it onto this hat, the top of this hat. So that's kind of like my fall. But I like these colors. These are fall colors to me. Either way. And the off-white is fall for me. I guess it's winter white. But this is like the top of the hat. I put the leaf on it. It's just a regular like bucket hat kind of deal. And then I put a wire in one round of it just so that I can bend it and style it in different ways. So that's my make, or those are my makes for this fall, autumn, seasonal Yarny YouTube hop. Want to thank Kim, the Crafty Nomad. She is the originator of this seasonal Yarny hop. Every first day of the new season, we create a make anything out of yarn. You can make clothes, which I have made spring, summer, and now fall. That's what I mostly make. Or stuffed animals, whatever you want to make with yarn. It's a Yarny YouTube hop. And I'm so glad that I have become a part of this because it is fun to come up with ideas for the season to hopefully give you inspiration on what you can make this fall. So comment below. I will be hopping around to see everyone's makes, and comment down below if what you think about my Yarny makes for the autumn or fall 2025 season. I hope I did not forget to do all the formalities. If I did, I'll try to remember. When I remember, or if I remember, I'll put it in the description. But again, I'm looking forward to seeing everyone else's makes. Happy fall. Hopefully the weather will come along with it because I'm over the heat. And I'll see you guys around these YouTube streets. Bye.